All right, ladies and gentlemen, good day, everyone. Welcome back to our session. Welcome back to the live trading session, and we just, yeah, we're gonna get right into it. All right, this seems, all right, cool. So we're gonna get right into it, guys. So nothing has happened as yet. We are still holding those positions we spoke about on the previous sessions. All right. So we still have pound cat. The trade is still active. Nothing has moved so far. We're still holding euro odd. Euro odd is still active, and also nothing has moved so far as well. Um, Let me just check. I think the chart might be too. All right, and we also have USD Swiss still holding it. Um, AUD USD still holding it, and USD CAD, the pending order on USD CAD. All right, so the pending order on USD CAD is still there. Just that I'm gonna put mine shortly. All right, but USD CAD expecting the market to go up. Not a lot of opportunities so far. All right, so we're still holding these ones, holding these positions. Um, this pound CAD, expecting pound CAD to start pushing to the upside. So once it gets to this green area here, this high here, then we're gonna put it to break even. Um, AUD or Euro AUD also anticipating this to start the move to the upside. All right, we're gonna manage it accordingly as well. So Euro AUD is the another one we're looking at. USD Swiss also, this is a long-term trade, all right, so it might take a while to play out, but we're expecting the market to continue the leg up. All right, we've got a nice retracement. We're expecting the market to continue the leg to the upside. AUD USD, we're expecting this to close as a shooting star, right? If we can get a close, a weekly close of a shooting star, then we know that next week we've got a higher probability chance of the market pushing to the downside. So it's also a very long-term trade, very long-term trade. We just need to be patient with this one. All right. Um, so you're gonna be patient with it, and yeah. Other than that, nothing is really happening in the market. Keeping an eye on NZD USD as well. If you can go to NZD USD, where is it? Also keeping an eye on NZD USD for shorts, right? Keeping an eye for a sell on NZD USD. So I've done the analysis on I've done the analysis already, so I know without the analysis I know what I'm looking for, right? So just looking for this to continue down. So anywhere around the zone, all right, so basically anywhere around the zone, then we will be looking for some selling opportunities. All right, so at the moment the market is still retracing, keeping a close eye on this 1 hour channel. So just to keep it simple, keeping a close eye on this 1 hour channel, we're looking for confirmation that we are starting to go down. All right, there isn't much confirmation as yet, but we'll see how the market will move internally. All right, on the 1 hour. So this is currently what's happening on the 1 hour. So either this is gonna push back up, and then we're gonna get a drop here, or we're gonna get a drop all the way down from current levels. All right, so keeping a close eye on it as well. um, All right. So yeah, there we go. So we still have the keeping an eye on NZD USD as well, right? So we'll see how the market will play out, but either the market will go up one more time and give us the third top here, and then we want to look for selling opportunities around the zone, or the market will drop. If the market drops below, then we will look for a lower low to form, and then we get that push to the downside. All right. So NZD USD also one we are keeping an eye on, and GBP USD as well. So I'm gonna go to GBP USD as well. So GBP USD also, I've already done the analysis, but to keep it simple, all right, to keep it simple on GBP USD, looking for a continuation to the downside, right? Looking for this to continue to the downside. So there's a couple of things, a couple of scenarios we are keeping an eye on, all right? But we're looking at this top. We're looking at this top. So a couple of things here. So the first scenario is the market will break this top. Once it breaks this top, and then it will start then pushing to the downside, or it might reject and start going to the downside before breaking the top. So two scenarios on this one. Either we're gonna break this top. There's like a structure here that's forming. So either we're gonna break the top, and then once we break the top, then it will give us a trading opportunity to the downside. All right, and so maybe a new high there. Or the second scenario is we're gonna drop from here, right? Whatever the case is, our focus is looking for sells. All right, so yeah, so that is basically what we are looking at. So far, NZD USD, GBP USD, these are trade ideas. All right, so these are nothing but trade ideas for now. We are keeping a close eye on them. All right, and let's see, what else was so USD CAD, spoke about it. USD Swiss, we spoke about it. Euro NZD, so let's go to Euro NZD. Cool. So Euro NZD, I'm not sure if I spoke about this one, but Euro NZD, looking for this to continue this channel to the upside. All right, we've got a channel developing here. Oh, the market has already developed the channel. So looking for one more leg to the upside, and what will happen here will confirm. At this point, don't really see a buy opportunity. So what will develop here will definitely confirm that buy. All right, we have this zone here. All right, we've got this zone here. The market is trading above this one and this one, right? So if we can get a break above this, and then maybe give us a retest, right? Maybe give us a retest, then we will be looking for a buy, right? We will be looking for a buy. So a break, a retest, and continuation to the upside. All right. So also keeping a close eye. So Euro AUD have the same setup as well as Euro NZD. All right. And there's quite a few, right? There's quite a few trade ideas we're keeping an eye on, but we'll see. We might not get all of them at once, right? But we'll see how the market will move. All right, let me just take a look at, let's do this. All right, so yeah, so I think these are the trades, or the setups we are keeping a close eye on. So GBP CAD, we're still in that. It's back to our entry. Euro AUD is slightly in profit, slightly in profit. USD Swiss, this is, as I said, this is a long-term trade, so it might play around here for a few weeks, a few days before it goes up. The same as AUD USD, right? It's a long-term trade. It might play around before it drops, but we're expecting the market to continue. Expecting the market to continue, all right? NZD USD, it's a trade idea, but we're looking for a push to the downside. Keeping a close eye on how the market will develop. GBP USD, the same thing. Euro NZD, looking for that break, maybe get a retest and then up again. All right, we still have this descending trend line here to look out for, right? Obviously, if we get a break above this descending structure, a break above it, then an entry is going to be a lot more easier, right? A lot more simpler. I mean, it's going to be a lot more simpler. But below this channel, below this trend line here, right, a trade might be a little bit tricky, but we'll see. So yeah, looking for that push up, and yeah, so these are the setups we are keeping an eye on, and the trades we are still holding. All right, and yeah, so just keep an eye on these, and then we'll come back and see how the market is moving on tomorrow's session. All right, so the trades are still running, they are active. USD CAD, the pending order has not been triggered as yet, but we're still keeping a close eye on it. All right, so do keep a close eye as well, and we'll catch you guys on the next session. All right, enjoy the rest of your day. Good luck and cheers.